some of this mandarin orange because somebody loves it. I'll just grab some mandarin orange. I like their paper bag, it's really good quality. See, it's so strong compared to what we have there. Let's have like 5 of this. Sorry. 5. Just grab 5 of this. I don't know how heavy is it. 1 kg. Ah yeah. Okay, let's just grab 5 of this. Okay, it's for me to use. 5 of this I have to weigh it. Sorry, so I have to weigh it, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, where can I weigh it? There. Okay, Ken, thank you. How much the strawberry today?
This one? 15.90.
15.90. Okay.
Remember price, normal price.
Oh, normal 19.90. Oh.
Yeah. Remember you ada Grab app.
Oh, we can show the Grab app
Yeah.
to get the
members.
discount. Oh, okay. That's nice. Okay. Yeah, strawberry selling so fast. If I'm getting the strawberry, I get 16.90. That's about $5. I think $5 is a good price. $5. Should I get the strawberry? Or maybe I'll just hang on first. Oh yeah, I need to get more blueberries. Okay, I need to get more blueberries, so I will get the blueberries. I'll get more blueberries. I need to weigh this. And I need to get the blueberries. Maybe 2 more blueberries. The blueberry is $9.90. Is about less than $3. $2 plus. I'll just grab 2 first. I'll just grab 2. And yes. I'm going to weigh the orange now. Let's just have a scan through, okay, these fruits. Oh, China has the whole grapes. I thought only Taiwan has it. So now China is growing this. Then from Japan, then Taiwan, then now China also growing these grapes. Cherries. Okay, I'm done here. I need to get some envy. 6 in a pack. What happened to the big one? Six in a pack. Okay, we're getting every 6 in a pack for almost $20. That's about $6 plus for 6, so it's a 1 for $1. Here's the big envy. I think the big envy is more worth it. Okay, let's grab the big envy apple. It's only $3.70 per pack, so it's about $1. In where I stay, I don't want to specifically say where because no bias. It's actually much more expensive, 3 times more expensive. So right here I can get about $1 plus. I'm going to get 3 in my place. It's one like this size for about $3 plus, $4 plus. So this is actually a good price. Let's grab 3 more of this. Four of this. Okay. I'll get 4 of this. I'm going to the weighing station.